So, look at our kale, doesn't it look great? Going to keep us going all through the winter, hopefully. And look at these plants growing next to the kale. Probably don't recognise them because they're a new vegetable, only invented in 2010, I think. It's called Kalette, and it's a cross between Brussels sprouts and red kale, so you can see the red in the stalks there. So we bought a packet of seeds in the spring. There were only 25 seeds in the packet, which we thought was a bit of a swizz, but look what they've turned into. Beautiful, great big plants. And I've got another 5 sitting here in little pots. If only I could find somewhere to plant them. So apparently, I've never grown them before, but what happens is they grow up tall like Brussels sprouts plants, and you get little florets, I suppose you'd call them, where you'd expect to find your sprouts. And these florets are a cross between kale and sprouts, and they stand through the winter and will give us, I hope, another supply of beautiful fresh vegetables through the winter. Just behind you can see where I've planted out the tomatoes. They were in the greenhouse, but the greenhouse is getting very crowded, and I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that we don't get any blight. And so far so good, and if the weather stays like it is today, we should get a beautiful crop of tomatoes. Look at these ones here as well, all doing well.